Okay, so what day is this? This is
Friday the 15th.
Friday already. Oh my gosh, Friday the 15th. Boy, missed Friday the 13th by 2 days. That was close.
That's right.
Okay, so we're taking the front end off of Fred. We have a set of seals that we think are correct. We're going to find out. I have a new set on order, but I didn't want to wait a week. So we're doing the, Kevin and I, and Kevin mostly, we're going to do new seals on both legs. I even have new boots, so we'll put those on there. And let's see, what else did we do today? Today. What did we do today? I cleaned up the oil pressure regulator. Took that apart, cleaned the internals, and put it back together.
I cleaned up head bolts and
cleaned up the head bolts, right? Cleaned up the bolts back here on this. So we're down to cosmetics and oil seals. And once we get this done, if we get the oil seals in and put it back on its wheel, you know, there's no real reason why we can't hook up the gas and see if it'll fire.
you got a
Yeah, I got a tank over there.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens after a while. And this is why you go ahead and do both of them. This is about as nasty as it gets. Look at this. And this is the one that wasn't leaking down the leg, so they had the seals. It looks like they've got it glued together. We had to warm it up and pry it off with a screwdriver. Look at this.
Ugh.
We call that, the technical term for that is grunge.
Yeah.
We got grunge. All right, so we'll do this next one, then we'll start taking these apart. We'll show you how to get these caps off without destroying them, okay? Be back in a minute. All right, so we got the wheel and fender off, and we're getting ready to drop the lower legs off. To do so, we need to unscrew this retainer up here. There's no way to unscrew it with a big wrench or anything like that. People use slip joint pliers, people use chisels, people just beat the heck out of them. But there is a way, I'm gonna say this almost facetiously, an easy way to do it. Okay, well, first of all, we're gonna warm them up so they get really hot. Warm them up, okay? Second, we're gonna use, oh, you've already made it, cool. A
Clamp. And sandpaper.
Clamp. What kind of clamp is this?
Hose clamp.
Just a thank you, big
Just a
hose
hose
clamp.
clamp,
Okay, with a row of we're using 320, which is the roughest I have. If it turns out to be not rough enough, we got some memory paper. But you make this, you put it in here, you wrap it around here, and then you use Jake to tap it, and theoretically it will. Let's see, we're going to go this way. That's tight and this is loose, and we're going to go to the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, over here, and try to unscrew that. So we're going to get ready, and we'll be back in a moment. We're going to heat it up now and see if we can do this one first. All right, we'll be back shortly. All right, so we've got the clamp with the sandpaper on the top of the seal retainer. We've got the axle in the bottom holding the lower legs from turning. I'm going to go over there and stabilize it, and Kevin's going to beat the heck out of it. And I can't, this thing is completely ignoring me. It's trying to zoom here, and it does that. All right, so we've got the hose clamp wrapped around the sandpaper, with sandpaper facing in on top of the seal retainer. And I'm going to go over there and steady the leg while Kevin uses Jake to tap on it. We use Jake instead of a small hammer because what is it? Inertia is a wonderful thing. Mm-hmm. You can hit it once or twice with Jake versus beating the heck out of it with a smaller hammer. And let's see if it breaks free. We warmed it up. We got the clamp on. We got it tight. Let's see if it actually breaks free this time, okay? You're seeing this live online for the first time. Yeah, so let's see how we do.
Got her?
Copy?
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's not turning. Okay. Not turning. Let's tighten that.
Yep.
All right, try her again.
Doesn't look like it's turning.
Well, yeah, starting to turn.
Is it?
Yep,
Okay.
it just started. There it goes. Okay, can you hit it any better now?
A little. What I don't want to do is hit that.
Now let me put a rag on there and see if I can turn it.
Yeah.
Just for grins.
Yep.
I got that trick thumb that just makes me crazy when I right there.
Yeah, the thumb.
Yep. It'll go zing and electrocute my hand. Okay, now.
Yep.
Okay, now if you'll hold it, I'll hit it from this side.
Okay.
And I'm going to be less sophisticated. Let's turn it.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I can see it.
And that is some kind of tight. Can you turn it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I can.
You can do it. You can do it.
You can do
Go,
it.
Kevin. Go, Kevin. Go, Kevin. Go.
Kevin.
All right. All right. So that's. I mean, they're on there tight, and that's as good a way to take them apart as any, and it does no damage up here. I mean, I've seen these things with teeth marks from people using monkey wrenches on them. So that's a pretty good demo of how to take those off without damaging them. And it's relatively easy. We'll do the other one in just a second. All right, we've got this one set up to do the this leg. Kevin's gonna. I guess I'll beat on it from this side.
Yep.
All right, we're just gonna beat the heck out of this. We didn't warm this up, did we?
No.
Not
Well,
to-
let's see
well,
if it works.
let's
If not,
see
we'll
what
warm
happens.
it. Yeah.
All right, you
Yep.
ready?
Yep.
When I nod my head.
Yeah, I'll drop it and run. Yeah.
All right.
Yep. I don't see it turning. No,
Nope, I don't
turning.
need it. All right, so we're going to tighten it up a little bit more, try it again,
Yep.
and then we'll heat it because we forgot to heat this one.
Yeah. It's so tingly.
You good?
Yep.
I can't do this. All right.
Yep, that did it.
Broke free?
Oh yeah, look
Look
at
at
that.
that, all
Look
right.
at that. Yeah.
And that one comes off easier.
Yeah.
All right, so you've seen it. We're going to drop this off now and pull these seals out and see if the seals we have are the correct ones. That was fun. All right, good. All right, so we got the left leg off, and let me tell you, they don't come off easy. They're not happy. They don't want to let go. But we've got the bolt out of the bottom, we've got the retainer out of the top, and now I'm going to show you how we get this leg off of here, and you're going to say, oh my God, it can't possibly be that hard. It's that hard. They just don't want to let go. Okay, so I'm going to steady the bike while Kevin beats the heck out of it. And we've got the sky hook up here just for safety.
Yeah. We're gonna try something else. Okay, it might be moving, but dang. Yeah,
I think it is.
yeah, it's moving. That's why we've got the sky hook.
Yeah. Yeah, we're moving up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's moving.
It's scary as heck.
Yeah. That's why we've got that.
It is. And you know, stop. We could, you know, just beat the heck out of this somehow here with a hammer.
Yep.
Here with a hammer. We could put something through here and beat it with a hammer. We don't want to do that. We could. I mean, I think that if we put the axle through here and use Jake on it, it might be easier. Now, do you want to try it just to see what happens?
Sure.
I'm curious, but normally this works. I mean, it just worked over here. Let's just, for the heck of it, try Jakifying it right here a little bit, all right? And I'll do it so that you don't have to take the blame. Okay, so you ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna try this.
Yep. It's coming off.
No, it's moving.
Yeah, the whole thing's coming off. Not the. There it goes.
There it
Keep
goes.
it going.
Okay.
I think that's what we
Actually-
needed. I'm not sure if we would have gotten it otherwise.
Actually, I think that we've just come up with a better way.
Yeah.
You know that? So we use Jake on it. You can see that. And the Jake method seemed to work better than just pulling down on it. Now, although the left one came off reasonably clean,
Yeah.
that right one was a so-and-so. So yeah, putting the axle through and using your own favorite Jake to hit it down seemed to work pretty good. So I've learned something. Possibly this will do somebody else some good. All right, so now we need to take off the slider, excuse me, the bushing here in order to get this off, and this is held on by a clip right down here. So I'm going to let you see me struggle with this because it's either going to come off really easy or it's not. And it's an adventure, and there it is. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit and let you watch me try to get that thing off. Try to stay out of the, I'm going to put you off to the side here so you don't get a picture of my shoulder. And hang on. All right, so let's see if I can get that clip off. First, you got to find the little notch. The little notch on this one is way over here. It is so much fun. Working blind. And snappy, snappy, snappy. That's 3 snaps. Aha! Only took 4 snaps to get it off. Alright, so let's see if this stuff will come off now. And there you go. Now we have the cap, we have the lower bushing, the upper bushing, and look at this. This is like glued on. This this seal is just, somebody used some fine sealer there. Well, I'll break that apart. Okay. There enough, still nice and tight, the bushing tight. Look at this seal, it's just like glued on.
Jesus.
All right, let's see if you can put a razor blade in that while I clean up this stuff.
Yeah, your razor blades.
Yeah, try sticking a razor blade in it and using
Yeah,
Jake,
I just gotta find one.
using Jake Jr.
You use this damn thing?
All right, so I found a place locally that has that was able to cross my Norton fork seals and give me new ones, and here they are. The only thing difference is they have rubber on the outside rather than metal. They go in there just fine. Half the ones I buy for the different bikes I work on are like this, so these are going to work just fine. Thank you very much. In the meantime, I thought I'd clean up the legs, so I polished each one of these 5 minutes. Now, I've always bought the aluminum polish in the little tube here at my local friendly motorcycle supply, and it's they're very the manufacturer is very proud of this, and they price it accordingly. So I thought that I'd try something different, and I went online and I found this, which is 3M Marine Aluminum Restorer and Polish, that's specifically made for aluminum pontoon and aluminum boats. Now, you know pontoon and aluminum boats are going to oxidize a lot. So I figured I'd try it. Okay, so this leg I did 5 minutes, no more, 5 minutes with the 3M Marine. And this leg I did the same 5 minutes using the traditional aluminum cleaner. And folks, I don't see any difference. You know, not worth talking about. And any difference you may see is probably because of lighting and shadowing. I got no problem. Now, I love this stuff, does a great job. I mean, this stuff does really, really good work. But so does this stuff. And this stuff is like 35 bucks for that whole jar. And at that price, it's a steal. So just thought I'd let you know. Now, tomorrow morning, we're going to put these seals in these legs, put the legs on the bike, put the bike on the wheels, and try to start this motorcycle. So come on by tomorrow morning. We'll see if I got a running bike.